If you're taking a trip across town or across the world, Liftmaster's patented MyQ technology and free app lets you go about your day and never look back. Here's how it works. The app alerts you if you've left your garage door open, and then lets you close it with a tap of your finger. You can also use it to let friends or family in when you're not around, and receive alerts so you know they closed your garage door when they left. It also has a remote light control feature that helps you keep your home safe while you're away. And make sure everything's bright when you return. So no matter where life takes you, with MyQ technology, you'll know that everything at your home is how it should be, so you never have to look back.